If you see this tiny, cute octopus in a tide pool, back away slowly. It is holding enough venom to kill 26 full-grown adults within minutes. This is the blue-ringed octopus. It is only the size of a golf ball. It looks harmless, which is why tourists always try to pick it up for photos. Here is the scary part. The bite is painless. The beak is so small you won't even feel it bite you. You will think you are fine until you can't breathe. It injects Tetrodotoxin. It is 1,000 times more toxic than cyanide. It paralyzes your muscles instantly. You are fully conscious, but you cannot move or speak. Remember, if the rings turn bright blue, you are already in trouble. Subscribe for more ocean warnings.